How to sign out of PlayStation with all devices. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign out of PlayStation with all devices. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to playstation.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now click on this icon and then from these options, select the option of account settings. Now it will bring you to another page. Here, from the left-hand side panel, click on the option of security. Once you click on this, it's going to say that you will go to another page, so click on the continue option. Now, once you get on the security settings, you want to scroll all the way down. Here, there is a button for sign out of all devices. Click on that. Here it says that you will be signed out of all apps and devices. So if you want that, click on the OK option. After that is done, it will take some time. And now as you can see, you have been successfully signed out of all of your devices. If you want to sign in again, you will have to enter these credentials here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.